Wild salmon in basil cream. A main dish from Ireland. Serves 4. You will need 20 ingredients. Step 1. For cream, melt butter in heavy medium skillet over medium heat. Add basil and stir until wilted, about 1 minute. Add wine, increase heat and boil until reduced by half, about 3 minutes. Step 2. Add stock and boil 3 minutes. Combine first 9 ingredients in heavy large skillet. Boil until sauce is reduced to 3/4 salmon in single layer atop vegetables. Cover tightly and cook until salmon is just opaque. 9 minutes per inch of sauce in center of drain salmon, tilting plate to spread evenly. Place salmon steak in center of each. Garnish with basil and lemon. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.